Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ARC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up there above $1.97. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $1.97, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bulls' part going forward. Taking a step back, looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that's where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a big picture and very efficient way to just judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above $1.97 would be great, but grand scheme of things perspective, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? Initial little battleground that the bulls will have to fight through right here at the 207 mark. If the bulls can fight through that, then yeah, you're looking at resistance levels up around 215 to 220, but one step at a time. And that first step, like I said, again, as far as hurdles is concerned, is, first off, just building a higher base, and then you can focus on more so breaking levels of resistance. But, in my opinion, breaking resistance, not a huge priority. Top priority by far right now is just healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as there are higher bases being built over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So great move today. Let's see how this week continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.